Foo Fighters announce another festival appearance. Foo Fighters join the Killers, Greta Van Fleet, the Beach Boys, and more on the beach in Asbury Park, New Jersey, in September. Foo Fighters have announced another headline festival appearance. They'll play at the Sea, Here, Now Festival, which takes place on the beach in Asbury Park, New Jersey, on September 16 and 17. Dave Grohl's band will headline the second night, with the Killers topping the bill on the first. The two-day event will also feature sets from Greta Van Fleet, Weezer, Nathaniel Rateliff and the Night Sweats, E.O.I., Sheryl Crow, the Beach Boys, Living Colour, Tegan and Sarah, The Breeders, Corey Wong, Tash Sultana, Royal Blood, Babe Rainbow, and O'Twell Friends. Late last year, Foo Fighters announced that they would continue as a band, ahead of announcing a number of US festival headlining appearances, including slots at Sonic Temple, May 25, 26, 28, Boston Calling, May 26, 28, Bonnaroo, June 15, and the Harley Davidson Homecoming, July 15. In January, they confirmed a return to European stages, with more headline slots booked at Rock am Ring Festival on June 2 and at its sister event, Rock im Park, on June 4. They're also scheduled to perform at the Fuji Rock Festival in Japan in July and at the town event in Sao Paulo, Brazil, in September. Foo Fighters are yet to confirm who'll fill the drum stool left vacant by the death of Taylor Hawkins in March last year. And in the statement confirming their intention to return, they admitted they'll be a different band without him. Foo Fighters were formed 27 years ago to represent the healing power of music and a continuation of life. Read the announcement. And for the past 27 years out, fans have built a worldwide community, a devoted support system that has helped us all get through the darkest of times together, a place to share our joy and our pain, our hopes and fears, and to join in a chorus of life together through music. Without Taylor, we never would have become the band that we were. And without Taylor, we know that we're going to be a different band going forward.